guys, Aaron here with the Diecycle again. Alright, so in the last video we mounted our coil. Now as you can see, our upper motor mount houses the ignition box, which comes down and is supposed to go right there into the engine. But my dilemma, as you can see, is I have way too much wire, and apparently a kitty cat that wants to be in the shot. But we're gonna shorten all this, and my plug-in here broke. So what I did was I got a Deutsch connector, and we're gonna go with this, and we're gonna put that in its place and do it that way. So wish me luck.
Load up on guns, bring your friends. It's fun to lose and to pretend. She's overboard and self-assured. Oh no, I know a dirty word. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. With the lights on, it's less dangerous. Here we are now, entertainer. I feel stupid and contagious. Here we are now, entertainer. And I forget just why I take. Oh yeah, I guess it makes me smile. I found it hard, so hard to find. Oh well, whatever, never mind. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. With the lights on, it's less dangerous. Here we are now, entertainer. I feel stupid and contagious.
Much better. Much better. Well, that's another installment of Diecycles R Us. Alright, catch you guys later.